Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are exploring the powerful tool known as the SWOT analysis for teachers. If you are a mentor or academic coordinator seeking to analyze the professional competency of teachers, or if you are a teacher aiming to enhance your skills and effectiveness in the classroom, then this video is specifically designed to cater to your needs. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool that helps individuals or organizations identify and understand their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For teachers, a SWOT analysis can provide valuable insights into their teaching practices, classroom management, student engagement, and overall effectiveness. Now let's talk about the method for completing a SWOT analysis as a teacher. To conduct a SWOT analysis, teachers should first identify their strengths, which may include qualities such as excellent communication skills, subject matter expertise, strong organizational abilities, or passion for teaching. Next, they should identify their weaknesses, which could include areas for improvement, such as time management issues, difficulty in connecting with certain students, or lack of experience with new teaching techniques. Teachers should also seek out opportunities for growth, such as professional development opportunities, collaboration with colleagues, or implementing new technologies in the classroom. Finally, teachers should identify internal or external threats to their success, such as budget cuts, changes in educational policies, or lack of support from administration. Now, let's move on to some tips for maximizing the benefits of a SWOT analysis as a teacher. One important tip is to be honest and objective when assessing your strengths and weaknesses. It can be tempting to focus only on your strengths, but acknowledging your weaknesses is crucial for personal and professional growth. Another tip is to involve others in the process, such as colleagues, mentors, or administrators, who can provide valuable perspectives and feedback. Additionally, it is important to take action based on the findings of your SWOT analysis. Develop specific goals and strategies to build on your strengths, address your weakness, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. Let's visit a website to see some real-life examples of how a SWOT analysis can be applied in an educational setting. You can see a website on the screen. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. You can find 3 very useful examples on this website. Also, you can download free of cost SWOT analysis template. I don't want to make this video longer, otherwise I will definitely read the whole example for you. In conclusion, conducting a SWOT analysis as a teacher can be a valuable tool for self-assessment, professional development, and strategic planning. By identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you can gain valuable insights into your teaching practices and make informed decisions about how to improve and grow as an educator. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.